truck wash.
Yep, we get a truck wash. Very good. That's where we're headed right now. I got the seat fixed. I got JJ's seat fixed. The seat belt was broken. I got it fixed today, so now he can ride in the front with me.
All one's plugged in.
What?
All one's plugged in.
Yeah, the old seat belt was broken. This one's good. Okay, here we go. Moving up, huh? There we go. We're going in, bud. Get a picture of us going in.
All right, neutral, no brake. You have a good day, sir.
Thank you. We'll roll the window up. That might be a good idea. Here we go, buddy. We're going through. JJ likes this kind of things. It's very sensitive. Got things going on all around us. Our truck is going to thank us, huh? It's going to say, thank you, JJ, for getting me washed.
Loud.
Kind of loud. It's raining.
Loud.
It's raining soap. Look at what colors?
Blue.
Pink and white.
Green, a little bit of green.
Big rush is coming. Colorful. All the colors. Now it's going to be the big wind blowing, huh? Big wind coming. Roll your window down? Up. And get a good vacuum. There we go. You want to do it? Yeah, absolutely. This truck is kind of a mess. Got a broken door handle, but you know how to open it, right? Open the door from the outside. JJ knows how to do it. Good job, Bubba. All right, let's go. All right, come on, buddy. Back in the truck. Come on, buddy. JJ. Come on. Okay. You go vacuum the seat and vacuum the floor. That fun working? You like doing this, huh? Here, wash the dash. Up here, wash it. No, not the window, but here, this. Are you ready to put it back? Are we done? Okay, let me see. Here, get out. Go hang it up for me over there, okay? Bub, this one, put this one in. All right, you want me to come help you? Watch. Here we go. Now put this up here on top. Now slowly go down, slow, like that. There it is. Easy, right? You just got to know how to do it. That's all. No big deal. Okay. All right, we're ready to go, buddy. Ready? Good job. You did it. Thank you for helping me. You did good. You did good. Okay. Okay. Oh, he's telling me he wants to go. All right, let's go, buddy. All right, now push that mirror out for me because I can't see. There you go. Perfect. Thank you. We got one more stop, and then we'll go eat. But I want to stop and get your glasses. Remember, we stopped at that place to look at glasses. Well, today we're gonna pick them up.